Hey guys, it's Brenda this side. I hope you all are doing fine in life and in coding also. So I have started this channel in order to teach you guys on how to avoid these various small mistakes which will help you in debugging later on with your code and will help you in coding much more better. So let's start with the so let's start. First of all, we will make folder name cpp or whatever you would like. It's a folder, so we will write new. Then we will make a file in it named code.cpp, which is an extension of C++. So first of all, we will be starting with a header file. As you know, iostream is a header file so that the cout and cin works. Then we will be writing include, or we can write using. Yeah. Then we will be declaring a main file. Main. Then we will be writing a code. Then we need to put semicolon here in order to execute it. Then return 0 in order to return a int value. So the possible things that can happen in here is you have to copy the relative path so that you can get the output. Then you need to start with gpp in terminal g++, then the relative path, and then enter. The thing that can happen here is the undefined win main, which you can do is what you can do here is you can write cout and then gap and then the code. Okay, and include iStream, there is gap. Okay, then namespace, this works good. Then you need to write it again, relative path, and boom, it works. Then now then you need to do is what you need to do is you need to write the extension, the exe, and if you are in Mac it will be, I guess it will be something else here. Then you need to press enter, and there is some problem here, I guess. What will be the problem? The problem here is, yeah, I did this by chance. Then you need to press enter, and here's your code. I mean, here's your code. Thank you.